Today, we're planning on tackling the administrative quicksand of finance, accounts receivable, where inefficiency quietly drains cash flow. Did you know businesses spend an average of 14 workdays a year chasing overdue payments? That's nearly 3 full weeks lost instead of driving strategy and growth. This isn't about replacement, but it's about unlocking a superpower, a ChatGPT Copilot that transforms your accounts receivable workflow. Forget the hype, because we're planning on diving into practical, tactical applications you can implement immediately to drive results. From credit scoring to final collection, AI is compressing the entire order-to-cash cycle while protecting and optimizing your liquidity. We're going to start in the trenches. Staff accountants deal with messy, inconsistent ledgers, but ChatGPT can clean and standardize that data in seconds. By using well-crafted prompts, you can transform messy, unstructured bank exports into a clean, accurate, and fully structured accounts receivable ledger. ChatGPT doesn't just list the data, it intelligently categorizes transactions, identifies duplicates, and automatically flags missing invoice numbers. Need a credit memo? ChatGPT can instantly generate accurate, structured documentation from your specific dispute data by eliminating manual drafting. Handling disputes is a major time sink. Use ChatGPT to generate objective, professional, and policy-aligned resolution documents with speed and consistency. The agent report is the heart of the accounts receivable process. ChatGPT can take a raw list and instantly bucket your outstanding balances. This tactical shift eliminates hours of manual data manipulation, reducing error rates, lowering risk, and easing mental fatigue. Critical rule: ChatGPT is the co-pilot but not the authority. Every ledger, every memo must be rigorously reviewed and verified by a finance professional. Never input sensitive customer personal identifiable information into public models. Always use enterprise-level, secure versions of ChatGPT. Transaction processing is no longer a clerical burden. It's now a seamless, automated, and highly efficient stream. Now, we step up to the controller level. This is where communication strategy and dunning management drive results. The old approach relied on generic, impersonal templates that was ineffective at driving results and managing the customer relationships. ChatGPT enables you to deliver personalized, data-driven outreach based on payer risk ratings and historical payment behavior. Drafting a payment plan negotiation, ChatGPT can generate creative, data-driven terms that preserve task flow while supporting the client relationship. It generates tailored, channel-specific scripts for emails, text message reminders, and structured talking points for collection calls. If you're working with international clients, ChatGPT delivers accurate translations while adapting done-in communications to cultural nuances. AI can analyze your aging report to prioritize outreach by identifying exactly who to contact first to maximize collection outcomes. You can instantly recalibrate the tone of 50 emails at once by shifting from a gentle nudge to a firm demand in seconds. When a client disputes a charge, you can use ChatGPT to synthesize the evidence and generate a clear, fair, and policy-aligned response. The result? Higher collection rates, reduced day sales outstanding, and stronger, more resilient client relationships. At the controller level, the focus shifts from individual invoices to a broader, strategic view of the entire financial landscape. ChatGPT can analyze months of AR data to surface actionable trends, identifying which regions pay late and which industries may be showing signs of financial stress. By feeding unstructured data into your AI model, you can build dynamic business-to-business credit scoring models that update in real time. It can even analyze qualitative signals, such as loan assessments and news, to proactively identify potential defaults before they materialize. ChatGPT can help enable more accurate cash flow forecasting by replacing guesswork with more reliable, data-backed projections. Use ChatGPT to build the logic, formulas, and KPI calculations behind your accounts receivable dashboards in Microsoft Excel or Power BI. Managers can use ChatGPT to design standard operating procedures that embed automation into every step of the workflow. This shift is able to reallocate the capacity of your team from manual follow-ups to high-value, insight-driven strategic advisory work. When preparing for an audit, ChatGPT can help verify asset balances and ensure your documentation is accurate, complete, and fully audit-ready. The controller becomes a strategic partner to the chief financial officer by providing insights that were previously buried in spreadsheets. For the chief financial officer, ChatGPT integration becomes a strategic driver of resilience and sustainable competitive advantage. In a volatile market, compressing the order-to-cash cycle becomes a critical lever for protecting and optimizing liquidity. CFOs become the architects of a new finance function, where AI agents control the mundane, freeing units to focus on strategy and value creation. Responsible ChatGPT demands transparency and accountability. Every credit decision and collection action must be fully explainable, documented, and auditable. The return on investment isn't just time saved. It's reduced bad debt, optimized working capital, and a more agile, high-performing finance team. The debate is over. ChatGPT won't replace finance professionals, but those who master AI will outperform and ultimately replace those who don't. The chief financial officer must ensure models are bias tested, especially when ChatGPT suggests credit minutes or risk scores. The roadmap is clear. Start with high-impact practical wins, rigorously measure return on investment, and systematically scale across the organization. We're moving toward agentic workflows, where generative AI moves beyond drafting to orchestrating entire end-to-end processes. Imagine real-time visibility into your working capital that is moving beyond delayed, retrospective reporting at month's end. For corporations, this is the million-dollar accounting model by dramatically scaling output without scaling headcount. Accounts Receivable is the lifeblood of business. ChatGPT is the new heart, helping it beat faster. Is your team ready to take the controls? The tools are here, the data is ready, and the opportunity is now. Subscribe to Ledger Shift AI for deeper insights into autonomous workflows, and let's shift the ledger together. Thanks for watching.